So the equation that I got from the quiz that I need to solve is 2 times the quantity 3x minus 1 plus 3y equals 5x plus 4y. And I need to solve this two different ways. I'm going to solve it for y, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to solve it again for x. So the first time I'm doing it, I am going to solve for y. Okay. So I'm going to distribute my 2 to everything in the parentheses. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 3x to get 6x, because I have two groups with 3x in them. And then 2 times negative 1, so two groups with negative 1 gives me negative 2. And then I still have plus 3y's equals 5x's plus 4y's. All right, my goal is to get the y's alone, so I can see that I have y's on both sides of my equal sign, and so I'm going to start by taking 3y away from each side. Here, this makes a 0. So on the left, I'm left with 6x minus 2 equal to 5x. And then on the right, I have 4y minus 3y, so I know that that is a 1y, or just y. And then I'm going to keep solving. I know my goal is to get the y variable alone, so next I want to get rid of these 5x's. They're being added to y, so I'm going to undo that addition by subtracting 5x from both sides. So they make a 0 pair here. On the left, 6x minus 5x gives me 1x, and I still have the minus 2 equal to y. So my goal was to solve for y. I have one positive y by itself, so I know I am done. Y equals x minus 2. I'm going to do this again. So with my same equation, I'm going to rewrite it. It was 2 times the quantity 3x minus 1 plus 3y is equal to 5x plus 4y. So I have the same equation, but this time I am going to solve for the x variable. All right, so the same thing, I'm going to want to get rid of these parentheses, so I need to distribute the 2 to everything inside of the parentheses. So again, two groups with 3x in them gives us 6x's. 2 times negative 1, or two groups with negative 1, would be negative 2. Plus I have those 3y's, and then nothing changed so far on the right, so I still have 5x plus 4y on the right-hand side. Okay, now my goal is to solve for x. So I am going to try to get my x's on the same side. So I'm going to start by subtracting 5x from both sides. This makes a 0 pair here. And on the left side, 6x minus 5x gives me 1x, or just x. And I still have the minus 2 plus 3y on the left. And on the right-hand side, I'm left with 4y's. Okay, again, I am solving until I get the x alone, so I need to move something else off of the left side, so I'm going to subtract 3y from both sides. So 3y and negative 3y make a 0 pair. On the left-hand side, I'm left with x minus 2 equal to, on the right-hand side, 4y minus 3y gives me 1y. All right, I'm almost done, but I see that I have x minus 2 on the left, and I need to just have 1x. So I'm going to undo that minus 2 by doing the opposite. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Negative 2 and positive 2 make a 0 pair. And I'm left with x is equal to y plus 2. So my goal was to get x alone. Now that I have one positive x by itself, I know I'm done. So my answer is that x equals y plus 2.